Merry Christmas.
Sweetie.
Honey, my parents are gonna be here in an hour. Merry Christmas.
Can you help me wrap Grandpa's gift? On it. From Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Hey, son, we're just now leaving.
Oh, yeah, no rush.
Okay, see you soon.
What do you think?
No.
Mom and Dad bought Grandma and Grandpa a Panasonic Blu-ray player for Christmas this year because they really needed to upgrade from VHS.
Nice.
Merry Christmas!
The holidays are stressful enough. Giving the right gift shouldn't be. Panasonic has something for everyone on your list.
Love the mustache!
Oh, thanks, Mom.